how to use Instagram Notes features. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today we're diving into the feature that Instagram has introduced, that is Instagram Notes. So, first let's talk about what Instagram Notes actually is. So I'll show you how it works. You'll need to open up your Instagram and then go to your DM section on the top right corner. And here you'll see your note option appear and you can see what's on your mind. Go ahead and tap on it. So it's a new way to communicate with your followers sitting right above your DMs. So, this is a middle ground between DMs and stories. You can share a short message up to 60 characters that last for 24 hours. It's like a mini tweet but for your Instagram followers. So, uh, here you can see what's on your mind. You can write anything, and then you can even add a music by tapping on the music icon. So you can choose any of the music to add, and then you can even put like a prompt. Your prompt will be visible to anyone, and only your selected audience can see you started it and the response. So these are the features added to your Instagram notes, and then you can share it with your friends, and then you can even ask your friends for various recommendations, and they can reply to you on the notes. So it's really easy to create an Instagram note and share it with your followers. So it's a potential for more personal engagement with your audience. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.